start chapter number 5, that is multiplication. So first of all, if we want to multiply 659 by 4, so the smallest number by which we are multiplying, that is called the multiplier. और इसको multiply करें, that is called multiplicand. क्या बोलेंगे इसको? multiplicand, इसको multiply. Now we will solve it. So 4 9s are 36, 3 carry, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3 23, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 2 26. So now this, that is your answer. This is called product. Clear? तो इसको हम बोलेंगे multiplicand, multiplier, and this one is product. Now if we have to multiply any number by 1, suppose we have to multiply 326 by 1, so always the answer will remain same, means the multiplicand will be always our product. Now if we want to multiply any number by 0, for example 465 we have multiplied by 0, so always the answer will be 0. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 0 से, so answer will be 0. Suppose if we are multiplying 40 multiplied by 0, it will also be 0. Now if we are multiplying any number by 10, 100, 1000 or so on, so if we are multiplying by 10, we can simply add 1 0. Suppose 42 into 10, so answer will be 420. If we have to multiply any number by 100, so we have to simply add 2 zeros. Suppose 38 multiplied by 100, so our answer will be 3800. So you need not to multiply it, you can just simply add the number of zeros which are given in the multiplier. Now we will start our exercise 5.1. Question number 2 and 1, they are almost same. I am starting the question number 2. They have given the number, we have to arrange them and then multiply. So 1 8 is 8, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2, 2. Here you can either put a cross or you can even write 0. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14. Now after putting the cross or 0, so 7 8s are 56. So 5 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5 19, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. So now we will add them. 8, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6 and 1. So this will be your product. This is your multiplicand, this is multiplier, and this one is your product. Now next question is, we have to, 3 numbers are given, 20 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 4. You can arrange them in any of the order. आप इन दोनों को पहले multiply कर सकते हो, इन दोनों को कर सकते हो या इन दोनों को भी. तो suppose if we are हम लोग 0 से, it is easy, so we will do this first of all. So you might be easily knowing it. 9 4s are 36. Now 36 into 2. If you know the answer, you can do. Otherwise, you can multiply it also. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 3s are 6. So we had multiplied 36 by 2. The answer was 72. Now we will write here 72. And here it was 20, so we will write, add one more 0. So answer is 720. Now we will do question number 4, G part. So in this question mostly 0 is added in the multiplier. So if we have to multiply 81 by 80, so we can easily multiply it by only 8. So 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Now in the answer we will add 1 0. So this will be our answer. Now if we have to multiply, next question was that you have to solve these questions in the expanded form by arranging them in the expanded form. So if we have to multiply 845 by 8, so we will write 8 in front and we will break it. 845 plus 5. So by this way what is happening, इससे हमारा जो आंसर है it will come easily, we need not to solve it. Now we will write it 80 into 800 plus 8 into 40 plus 8 into 5. So 8 8s are. So now bracket was there, so we have multiplied 8 by each of them. So we will write 8 into 800, 8 into 40 plus 8 into 5. Now 8 8s are 64. 2 zeros we will add. 8 4s are 32. 1 0 we will add, and 8 5s are 40. Now you have to add all of this. You can, if you want, you can add in the first part. 320 plus 40. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 3 7. So your answer will be 6760. Now see in this question, अब हमने कोई भी लॉन्ग मल्टीप्लाई होता अगर हम 845 को 8 से करते, बट बाय दिस वे वी हैव मेड इट easier. Thank you. Good morning students. Now already we have discussed about the multiplication and its rules. Now we will start the problems on the multiplication. First question they have given tuition fees of one student is rupees 6375, and they have asked what will be the tuition fees of 35 students. सपोज या फिर आप वैसे मानो कि सपोज आपके स्कूल में एक चाइल्ड आपकी क्लास में एक चाइल्ड की फीस है समथिंग, सो दे हैव वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट फीस ऑफ 35 स्टूडेंट्स. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, जो एक स्टूडेंट की है बेटा उसको 35 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो वी विल नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 6375 दैट इज द ट्यूशन फीस ऑफ वन चाइल्ड विद 35. क्यों? बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट ऑफ 35 स्टूडेंट्स. सो 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 36 and 37, 3, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 1 31. Now we will multiply by 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2 carry, 3 3s are 9, 10 and 11, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19. Now we will add them. 5 7 plus 5 12, 8 plus 1 9, 10 and 11. This will be 3, 9 plus 3 12 and 2. So the tuition fees of 35 students will be 2,23,125. You have to write it complete. Tuition fees of 35 students is rupees 2,23,125. You have to write the rupees symbol, otherwise your half marks will be deducted for this thing only. Now in question number 2, they have given the cost of one mobile. So cost of one mobile is rupees 8,942. So they have asked the cost of 124 mobiles. So we will multiply it by 124. बोला हुआ है कि एक मोबाइल की कॉस्ट है 8,942, तो 124 मोबाइल्स की क्या कॉस्ट होगी, उसको 124 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 9s are 36 plus 1 37, 4 8 are 32, 32 plus 3 35, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, then by 1 it is same, it will be 4 8 9. Now we will add them. 8 6 plus 4 10, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 8 18, 1 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6, it will be 18. 1. 10. 10 plus 10, it will be 20. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So the cost of 124 mobile, it is rupees 11,08,808.